Hello and happy Tuesday. Today is September 15th. Your assignment today is to continue working on the scientific inquiry power focus area and the note taker that we began yesterday during our live Zoom class. If you weren't here yesterday during our live Zoom class, I'm going to quickly just review a short little overview of what you're doing today. If you're good to go, you can just stop the video after that. But if you need a little bit more in depth of how to do it, stay on and watch the rest of the video. So first, your note taker is going to be in Google Classroom. It's the first assignment that's posted. It might look a little different once I get today's video posted onto Google Classroom, but it'll be one of the top 2 posts on Google Classroom. And it says that I posted an assignment, scientific inquiry note taker. You should open it and it should open to your document, which will look something like this. Hopefully you have your definitions already done, or some of them done, and some of this other stuff done that we did yesterday in class. So you're going to need that document open. You're also going to need to go to Summit, and you're going to need to go to your year view. And you are working on science today, and we are in the power focus areas. And the first power focus area is scientific inquiry, which passes on October 1st. So if you were not in here yesterday, the first thing that you're going to need to do when you are trying to complete a power focus area is take the diagnostic assessment, which is this first test. So if you were going to take it, you would click take or retake, and it would start your assessment. This one is 9 questions. You answer those questions, you'll finish the assessment. I'm not going to do that right now, so that for the purpose of this video, you'll get a score. An 8 out of 9, that's pretty good. Typically, if you just take the diagnostic assessment, you are allowed to request the content assessment. I would really prefer you go through the note taker. If you didn't get a great score on the diagnostic, you're more than welcome to the diagnostic and then just take it if you want, or you're more than welcome to take the diagnostic, and if you did great, you can still do a note taker, but that's totally up to you. So you'll notice that there's key terms, and those are the key terms that are in the definitions section. So the first thing you're going to do today is finish up the definitions. You're going to use Google or a dictionary of some sort to look up the words and try to put the definition into your own words so that it makes sense to you. Then you're going to do the introductory materials. So you'll see there's 3 sections to this focus area: introductory materials, objective 1, and objective 2. You are to pick one resource. It says introductory materials, pick one resource and gather 2 to 3 notes from it. Type in the box below. So it's wanting the resource name. So the resource name is going to be the bold words on the document or on the resource. So this bolded lettering is the name. Website, what is science? Video, how to be a scientist. Document, scientific inquiry guiding questions. So you're going to click into one of those. And so we did what is science. So we type what is science. And then after I read through this, I would write down 2 to 3 things that I learned from that resource. All right. Then we're going to move down to objective 1. So you'll see here's objective 1. Objective 1 on the note taker says, describe the process used by scientists to conduct investigations. Pick 2 resources and gather 2 to 3 notes from each. Type in the box below. Again, I'm going to have to come up with the resource name. The resource name is the bolded lettering. All right, so there's a video right there. Then we have a website. We have another video, and this is just a check for understanding, like a mini quiz to see how you did. So you'll pick 2 of these resources. Again, you'll put the name in the box. And then after you watch the video or look at the website, you will write down 2 to 3 things that you learned from each resource. You'll keep moving on to objective 2. You see in objective 2, there is a website. Here's the name, video, website, video. This is another check for understanding just to see how you did with that objective. So again, you have to come up with the resource name, which is right here, the bold lettering. All right. So you'll pick 2, watch or read, and then you'll tell me 2 to 3 things that you learned from that resource. When you finish the note taker, you can submit it on Google Classroom, turn it in, and then you're going to request the content assessment. So when you send me a request, I will get a notification and I will either approve or deny it. So make sure that your note taker's turned in, or make sure that you've at least taken the diagnostic. Now, if you take it and you don't pass it, but you still haven't done the note taker, which is this, I'm definitely going to ask to see the note taker the second time that you take the content assessment. As always, if you have questions or you're confused or you need extra help, your science teachers will be available in the Zoom meeting today during your class time. Have a wonderful day.